Hey there, the purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate the website. So you would go into the microdose category here, and then there's two options. We have GLP or we have GLP GIP microdosing. So this one is semaglutide, this one's tirzepatide. I'm doing tirzepatide. I think it works a little bit better with a fewer side effects, but both are also really great options. So what you would do is you can click learn more. And then it tells you the per month price, or if you want the full 3 months price, you can do that. You have an option for using an HSA or FSA account to pay for the product, or Klarna to do a monthly payment, which is what I did. So you would hit purchase, and then you have to fill out a medical questionnaire. This is reviewed by Ellie's team of doctors, and because it is a prescription, they want to make sure that it is medically appropriate for you. If they decide that it's not medically appropriate, they'll just refund your money. Otherwise, they will say, yes, it's great, it's approved, and it will get fulfilled by a pharmacy, and then it will get shipped to your home. So really, really easy peasy. Sometimes, depending on maybe how much weight you think you need to lose, they might send you a little bit of a higher microdose. So maybe they might have you start at 50 units. You absolutely do not have to start that high. You could start at 10 and then go up to 20 and then go up to 30. I started at 20 and I'm holding at 30. I have found that my clients that started a higher dose, like starting at 50, it was just too much and it created side effects. My whole thing with this is that I want the weight loss, the insulin support, the cognitive support, all of the inflammation and insulin support without the side effects. So what a lot of people with this company are doing is they're getting whatever dose their doctor puts them on, but then they start lower. So you can start like at 10 units, you can start at 20, but there's nothing wrong with starting low and going up. And if you have questions about that, you should be able to message the doctor who approves your prescription to see if that's okay. If you're concerned about that, always absolutely ask the medical provider. But that's just what I found is working really, really well for a lot of people, is just to start low and slowly go up and then find your sweet spot. So please feel free to message me if you have any questions about this. And there's a lot of other great stuff too on the website. If you're not, maybe if you decide the GLP is not right for you, but you just want to lose some weight too, you can do something like this. Tesamorelin, ipamorelin, so it's going to be more like visceral fat loss and muscle gain, as well as energy and sleep and anti-aging. So there's a lot of great options on the website. Feel free to look around and see what might be the best fit for you.